heart's thanksgiving, and my eyes look heavenward. How the stars you flung like jewels, bid your welcome, shine your light, as I marvel at your moonrise. I'm in awe, yet I ask, what am I that you should love me and hold me as your dearest love? You crown me with honor and glory, and you set all things under my feet. You have made me a little less than angels, even if I fly often away. As I sing my heart's thanksgiving, and my eyes look heavenward, how the stars you flung like jewels, bid your welcome, shine your light, as I marvel at your moonrise. I'm in awe, yet I ask, what am I that you should love me and hold me as your dearest love? In my anxious and brown-eaten moment, you comfort me, fill me with peace. When my foes fears and terrors surround me, you're my strength, you're my light and my shield. As I sing my heart's thanksgiving, and my eyes look heavenward, how the stars you flung like jewels, with your welcome, shine your light, as I marvel at your moonrise. I'm in awe, yet I ask, what am I that you should love me and hold me as your dearest love? How exalted your name is, O Yahweh, and how lofty the work of your hands. Yet how closely, how dearly you draw me to your love, your divine majesty. As I sing my heart's thanksgiving, and my eyes look heavenward, how the stars you flung like jewels, bid your welcome, shine your light, as I marvel at your moonrise. I'm in awe, yet I ask, what am I that you should love me and hold me as your dearest love? What am I that you should love me and hold me as your dearest love? Like the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy, my God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. heaven-born Prince of Peace. Hail the Son of Righteousness, light and life for all he brings, risen with healing in his wings. Mount he laid his glory by, born that may no more may die, born to raise the sons of earth, born to give them second birth. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Yeah.
Away in a manger, no crib for a bed, the little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the sky looked down where he lay, the little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. Be near me, Lord Jesus, I ask thee to stay close by me for